Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a makeup look that is simple and cute and easy for Valentine's Day. So remember, you can pause this video whenever you want so that you can keep up and follow the makeup steps correctly. Also, remember to start off with a clean and moisturized face if you would like. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer, and I'm going to put that just on my eyelids for now. There's really no need to use a brush for this, so I just go in with my finger and I blend this all over both my eyelids. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Canvas with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that all over my eyelid up to my eyebrow just as a nice base. Next, we are again going to use a fluffy brush, and we're going to go into the shade Pinkity Drinkity. This shade will be used in the crease of the eyelid to deepen it a little bit. Again, with a fluffy brush, we are now going to dip into the shade Literally, which is kind of shimmery and it's really pretty. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend that in the outer V of the eye and in the crease. To deepen this further and to add a little spice, we're going to go into the shade Shook, and we're going to blend this in the crease, the outer V, and we're going to bring it out into a little wing shape, as you can see. Next, we are going to dip into the shade Halloween, and we are going to put this all over the lid of the eye that does not have shadow on it, and we are going to blend and keep blending and blend some more. Now we are going to switch to the Luxe Eye Palette by Tarte, and the first shade we're going into is actually a glitter, and it's called Jewel. Now we are going to take our finger and we are going to get some glitter on there, and we are going to put it all over the lid of the eye. Not the crease and not the wing, just the lid of the eye. And this color is really pretty. I really like it. It's pink and it adds to the nice Valentine's Day vibe we got going on here. Next, we are going to go back into the James palette with the shade You're Kidding on the skinniest brush you have, and we are going to put this underneath the lower lash line to add a pop of color. Now, back with our fluffy brush, we are going to dip into the shade Sister. This will be our highlight shade for today because it has more pink tones. We are going to highlight our brow bone and our inner corner of our eye. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to wipe away any fallout that could have happened while I was applying my eyeshadow. With my e.l.f. primer, I am going to prime only my problem areas where I will be covering with my foundation. For this look, I figured that it is simple and easy and fast, so I'm not really going for a full coverage look here. Here I have the Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation by NYX, which I'm only again putting in my problem areas. My shade is the shade Vanilla. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush that's more of a concealer brush to further blend out this foundation. A life hack for you guys: your eyelash curler works better when it's warm, so if you put it in a place that's warm, like a bra, it'll work a lot better. Now I'm going in with my Christina Cosmetics, and I will be using the deepest shade to contour my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my jawline, just all the places that I want to contour, you know? Now I'm going in with my blush that is Lip and Cheek Makeup by Milk Makeup in the shade Work. I'm putting that on my cheeks and a little bit on the tip of my nose, and then I'm going to blend that out with the same brush that I used to do my contour. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going back into the James palette into the shade Sister. This shade, like I said, will be our main highlight shade. I'm going to use this to highlight my nose, my cheeks, my lips, and my chin. For my lips, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Hot Red, and I'm going to put that in the center of my lips on the top and the bottom. Next, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss in the shade Cherry Flash, and this will go all over my lips. Now we are going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara after curling our eyelashes with our warm eyelash curler, and we are going to apply this to the top lashes. I use this for my top lashes because it gives a lot of length and thickness. Then I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush mascara on the bottom lashes. Lastly, I'm using a matte makeup setting mist from Forever 21, and that completes the look. I hope your day is as beautiful as you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!